If you're watching this right now, there's a reason. Your bank account is not where you want it to be. And deep down, you already know something's wrong. I want you to stop everything right now. Because what I'm about to tell you, your school never taught you, your parents never told you, and the system definitely doesn't want you to know. If you want to break out of this trap, watch this video without skipping, because the answer is not where you think it is. Meet Jason, 34 years old, works 50 hours a week, never misses a shift, does everything his boss asks. And at the end of every month, he has almost nothing left. Jason is not lazy. Jason is not stupid. Jason is just playing a game where working hard is rewarded with just enough to keep you coming back tomorrow. Rich people figured something out early. You don't get wealthy by selling your time. You get wealthy by owning things that make money while you sleep. Now let's talk about Sarah. She got a raise last year, $1,200 extra every month. Know what happened? Her expenses went up $1,200. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it is silently killing your financial future. Every time you earn more, you spend more, and you stay in the exact same place. Rich people do the opposite. When they earn more, they invest more. They buy assets, stocks, real estate, businesses, things that pay them back. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. You're addicted to comfort, and your comfort is costing you your future. Every evening you have 2 to 3 hours. You can use them to learn investing, build a side income, or grow a skill. Most people use them to scroll TikTok and watch Netflix. And 10 years from now, the person who used those hours will be financially free, and you'll still be wondering why nothing changed. But here's the deepest truth. The real reason most people never get rich has nothing to do with money. It's this: they don't believe they deserve it. They grew up hearing, money is the root of all evil. Rich people are greedy. Just be grateful for what you have. And those beliefs became a wall they never climbed over. The moment you decide, I am capable of building wealth, I deserve financial freedom, everything changes. Your decisions change. Your actions change. Your life changes. Jason and Sarah, they're not fictional. They're the average American. Maybe they sound familiar. Maybe they sound like you. The trap is real, but so is the way out. And that way out starts with one decision. Right now. This is Wealth Paradox. We don't comfort you. We wake you up. If this hit different, subscribe. Your next video might change everything.